welcome to our video on activities. Do you offer activities at your property, like day tours or yoga classes? Activities allow you to sell these online as part of your booking process or separately, keeping in mind any time slots or occupant limits, and allow you to issue tickets for those purchases. Simply create the inventory item for the billing component first if you haven't already done so. You can watch our video on adding inventory items separately. Then head to the activity setup page. Add in the activity name, occupant restrictions, link the inventory item, and add in the time slots. You can even set up different ticket options, like single or family tickets. Once this activity is saved, you can see a participant summary from this page, or a comprehensive activity report for more information on all your activities. You can also set up automated contact to trigger out, for instance, when an activity is booked or before or after the event. You can even add a link onto your booking confirmations or pre-arrival emails, so guests can add these onto their existing bookings. For additional assistance in setting this feature up, or for any other FAQs on this feature, simply click the question mark icon on the top right to check our helpful knowledge base for detailed step-by-step guides. Thanks!